Our planet teems with life. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, a breathtaking tapestry of creatures exists. Each species plays a vital role, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Some animals astound us with their size and strength, like the mighty elephant or the awe-inspiring whale. Others captivate us with their speed and agility, such as the sleek cheetah or the darting hummingbird. But there is a realm where nature truly outdoes itself in terms of sheer, extraordinary adaptations. A world where creatures seem to defy logic, possessing abilities that appear almost magical. In this realm, we find masters of camouflage, creatures that can change their appearance at will. These are the chameleons, and their world is one of wonder and intrigue. Chameleons inhabit a world painted in shades of green, a world where survival depends on the ability to navigate the intricate branches of forests and woodlands. Their domain stretches across the globe, with a particular concentration on the magnificent continents of Africa and Madagascar. Here, amidst the lush vegetation, these remarkable reptiles have carved out their niche, becoming an integral part of the ecosystem. Africa, a land of immense diversity, boasts a wide array of chameleon species. From the arid savannas to the dense rainforests, chameleons have adapted to thrive in a variety of habitats. Some species, like the flap-necked chameleon, prefer drier regions, while others, such as the Jackson's chameleon, are more at home in humid environments. Madagascar, an island nation renowned for its unique and diverse wildlife, is often referred to as the eighth continent. This extraordinary island is a true chameleon paradise, harboring nearly half of all known chameleon species. The rainforests of Madagascar are alive with an array of these captivating creatures, from the tiny Bruchisia micra, measuring just over an inch long, to the larger and more vibrantly coloured panther chameleon. The world of chameleons is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. With over 200 distinct species, these reptiles showcase an astonishing array of colours, patterns and adaptations. From the subtle browns and greens of the common chameleon to the vibrant oranges, blues and greens of the panther chameleon, their diversity is truly remarkable. Each species has evolved unique characteristics that allow it to thrive in its particular environment. Some possess large, ornate crests, resembling ancient helmets, while others sport horns or spines that provide protection from predators. The diversity among chameleons is not limited to their physical appearance. Their behaviors and lifestyles are just as varied. Some chameleons are diurnal, meaning they're active during the day, while others are nocturnal, venturing out to hunt under the cover of darkness. Their diets also vary, with some species primarily feeding on insects, while others supplement their diet with small vertebrates or even fruit. Whether they are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, or adorned in vibrant colours that serve as a warning to rivals, chameleons never fail to captivate our imagination. The ability of chameleons to change colour is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries, inspiring myths, legends, and countless works of art. But the reasons behind this remarkable adaptation go far beyond simply blending in with the surrounding environment. While camouflage is undoubtedly a crucial aspect of a chameleon's survival strategy, their colour-changing abilities serve a much broader purpose. Chameleons are masters of communication, using their skin as a canvas to convey a wide range of messages to their counterparts. Their colour changes can signal dominance or submission, aggression or appeasement, and even play a vital role in attracting a mate. Imagine a world where a simple shift in hue could convey your intentions, emotions, and even your physical state. Picture two male chameleons, their bodies adorned in vibrant hues, engaged in a territorial dispute. Their colours flash and shimmer, a visual display of dominance and aggression as they puff out their throats and bob their heads in a mesmerising dance of intimidation. The victor, often the one with the most impressive display of colour and bravado, will claim the territory as his own. the science of colour change. The secret to a chameleon's colour-changing abilities lies within its skin, containing specialised cells called chromatophores. These cells reflect light in unique ways, allowing chameleons to alter their skin colour. This process, known as physiological colour change, happens rapidly, often within seconds. Section 3. Mood rings of the reptile world. While chameleons may not be able to consciously choose the colours they display, their colour changes are often a direct reflection of their emotional state. Just as humans blush when embarrassed or turn pale when frightened, chameleons exhibit a range of colour changes in response to various stimuli. In a sense, their skin acts as a visual representation of their internal world. When a chameleon is content and relaxed, its colours tend to be more subdued, often blending in with its surroundings. However, when it senses danger or feels threatened, its colours can shift dramatically, becoming brighter and more intense. This serves as a warning to potential predators, signalling that the chameleon is not an easy target. Interestingly, chameleons also use colour changes to communicate with each other. During courtship, males often display their most vibrant colours to attract females. These displays can be quite elaborate, involving a combination of colour changes, head bobbing, and even inflatable throat pouches. Females, in turn, may signal their receptivity or rejection with subtle shifts in their own coloration. Section 4. Temperature control, a chameleon's internal thermostat. Beyond communication and camouflage, chameleons have also evolved the remarkable ability to use colour change for thermoregulation. As ectothermic creatures, they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. By adjusting their skin colour, they can either absorb more heat from the sun or reflect it away, helping them maintain a stable internal temperature. When a chameleon needs to warm up, it can darken its skin by dispersing its melanophores. This allows it to absorb more heat from the sun's rays. Conversely, when it needs to cool down, it can lighten its skin by concentrating its melanophores, reflecting more light and heat away from its body. This ability to fine-tune their body temperature is essential for chameleons, as it allows them to remain active in a wider range of environmental conditions. It also plays a crucial role in their metabolism and overall health. By maintaining an optimal body temperature, they can maximize their energy levels and ensure their bodily functions operate at peak efficiency. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze with its array of adaptations. Among these marvels, the chameleon's eyes stand out. Chameleon eyes operate with an almost otherworldly independence. Imagine the ability to look in two directions simultaneously. This is the reality for chameleons, granting them an unparalleled field of vision. Their eyes can rotate a full 360 degrees. This adaptation provides chameleons with a distinct advantage in their arboreal world. The independent movement of a chameleon's eyes grants them an extraordinary visual advantage, a complete 360-degree field of vision. Unlike most animals whose vision is limited to a relatively narrow arc in front of them, chameleons can see everything around them without ever having to turn their heads. This panoramic perspective allows them to detect both predators and prey with remarkable efficiency. Imagine a world where you could simultaneously monitor every nook and cranny of your surroundings, never missing a single detail. This is the reality for chameleons, whose eyes act as surveillance cameras, constantly scanning their environment for any sign of movement or change. This heightened awareness is crucial for their survival, allowing them to react swiftly to both opportunities and threats. As a chameleon perches motionless on a branch, its eyes are in constant motion, each independently searching for potential prey or lurking predators. The slightest flicker of movement, a subtle shift in light and shadow, is enough to alert the chameleon to the presence of danger or opportunity. This panoramic vision is particularly advantageous in their densely vegetated habitats, where visibility is often limited. The chameleon's visual prowess extends beyond its remarkable field of vision. They possess dual vision, switching between monocular and binocular vision at will. Imagine locking onto two separate targets simultaneously. Their eyes act as independent targeting systems. This allows them to hunt with unparalleled precision. A tongue like no other. The chameleon's tongue is a marvel of nature, a testament to evolution's intricate solutions. It can extend up to twice its body length, shooting out with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine having a tongue that could stretch across an entire room. This is the reality for chameleons, whose tongues are among the most extraordinary adaptations. The chameleon's hunting strategy relies heavily on the element of surprise. It's a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into its surroundings, its prey often none the wiser until it's too late. But camouflage alone is not enough to guarantee a meal. The chameleon's tongue is its ultimate weapon, a lightning-fast strike that gives its prey virtually no time to react. When a chameleon spots a potential meal, its entire body tenses in anticipation, its eyes locking onto the unsuspecting victim. With remarkable precision, the chameleon gauges the distance to its target, calculating the trajectory and force required for a successful strike. In a fraction of a second, the tongue, coiled like a spring within its mouth, is unleashed with astonishing speed. The tongue's acceleration is nothing short of remarkable, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in some species. This incredible velocity is achieved through a combination of powerful muscles and elastic tissues that work together to propel the tongue forward like a projectile. The tongue's tip, often adorned with a sticky pad, races towards its target, covering the distance in the blink of an eye. The chameleon's tongue is not only fast, it's also incredibly sticky. The tip of the tongue is covered in a specialized mucus that acts like a natural adhesive, ensuring that once contact is made, the prey has little chance of escape. This sticky mucus is a complex mixture of proteins and sugars that work together to create a powerful bond, even on smooth or wet surfaces. As the tongue makes contact with its prey, the mucus spreads rapidly, enveloping the victim in a sticky embrace. The prey, often an insect or small invertebrate, struggles in vain to break free, its legs and wings becoming entangled in the adhesive trap. This sticky mucus is not only effective at capturing prey, it also helps to lubricate the tongue, allowing it to retract smoothly back into the chameleon's mouth. The chameleon, sensing the prey's struggles, begins to reel in its catch, its powerful tongue muscles working in reverse to retract the elongated appendage. The prey, now firmly secured, is drawn inexorably towards the chameleon's waiting jaws. Section 4. Precision and Patience. The art of the ambush. Chameleons are ambush predators, relying on camouflage and their remarkable tongues to catch prey off guard. Section 1. A life aloft. Chameleons thrive in treetops, their bodies adapted for clinging to branches and scaling vertical surfaces. Section 2. The prehensile tail, a balancing act. The chameleon's prehensile tail acts as a fifth limb, providing support and stability in their arboreal habitat. The chameleon's feet are extraordinary, with zygodactylous toes forming two grasping fingers on each foot. This unique structure allows them to cling to even the smoothest branches with ease. In the heart of the forest, the chameleon lives a solitary existence. Their interactions are limited to brief encounters during mating season, minimizing competition for resources. Despite their solitary nature, chameleons establish and defend their own territories. They use visual signals and dramatic color changes to communicate dominance and ward off rivals. In the world of the chameleon, colour is a complex system of communication. Males use vibrant displays to attract mates, while females signal receptivity or rejection through subtle colour shifts. Chameleons have diverse reproductive strategies, with some laying eggs and others giving birth to live young. Regardless of the method, parents invest little time in raising their offspring, leaving them to fend for themselves. The chameleon's life cycle is a testament to adaptation, with diverse reproductive strategies ensuring their lineage. Egg-laying species camouflage their eggs, while live-bearing species provide a safe haven for developing offspring. Within their eggs, chameleon embryos undergo a remarkable transformation. Hatchlings, though vulnerable, quickly learn to hunt and navigate their environment. Chameleons face growing threats from habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, captive breeding, and public education to ensure their survival. The fate of chameleons is linked to our own, and we have a responsibility to protect them. By supporting conservation efforts and making informed choices, we can help ensure these extraordinary creatures continue to thrive. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of chameleons, we've encountered creatures of remarkable resilience and adaptability. Masters of camouflage and visual communication remind us that survival is not always about speed or strength, but often about patience and precision. The chameleon's legacy extends beyond its physical adaptations. It serves as a powerful symbol of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The conservation of chameleons is not just about preserving biodiversity. Our well-being is linked to the health of our planet. Protecting habitats benefits us all with clean air, water, and climate regulation. We are all connected, and our actions have ripple effects. Support conservation efforts through donations, reducing impact, or spreading awareness. Imagine a world where future generations can marvel at chameleons in the wild. This is the future we must strive to create. The choice is ours and the time to act is now.